We buy this action camera in preparation for our next trip. This is the second action camera that we will try. It's a 360 because the drone is illegal in some countries and I don't want to do anything illegal. So I want to buy a 360 so I can take more of my surrounding. So I need something to cut this. Okay. So let's see what's inside. It's an Insta 360 1x2. Apparently it's quite good. We'll see soon enough. You will see soon enough when we try it and put up the videos. Ooh, looks exciting. It's pretty light.
It has camera on both sides.
Yeah, and we have to figure out all the stuff, and it comes with a selfie stick. Open.
It's a cable, yeah. Take it. Yeah. Like that. Take it up. See what's inside.
Okay. I think it's a little pouch. Yes, it's a little pouch for the camera. Instruction booklet and warranties. I think it's a cloth to wipe some logos for Insta, and cable for charging.
It's a C cable.
Yes, C cable. Alright. That's empty. Okay, gonna figure out how to use it. We're gonna charge it first.
Okay. Always put the camera facing on a soft cloth. If not, it will scratch the lens.
But it's on both sides, so
Yep.
yeah. Alright.
Okay.
So the lens will go inside first, right?
Yeah.
I think that's it really. Have the selfie stick that comes with the Insta 360. It's pretty light and also very long, and you can mount the camera onto it.
Like how?
So, like so. And it's pretty high, I think.
Yeah.
It's high.
Put it on the shorten it. Nice. And the base.
Depends. You can mount onto a stand,
This one.
which we also bought for, and we can leave the camera somewhere and shoot us busy with something else, so we don't have to hold it all the time. It's empty, so the base can open flat, so it's really secure. And this goes on top.
Nice.
And you can also, it's quite steady, you can also have this in different position. So where is it? Forgot.
Oh, what different position?
There's a different. So,
so you can have it flat and then you can have it like different angle like that.
Yeah. So I have to turn it. Then I
Okay, there's a catch for that.
Yeah, the catch. So I work out because it's new, so it's quite stiff.
And we bought a new selfie stick. This is a new selfie stick. You want to open it?
Yeah.
We used the selfie stick quite a bit, so now the ball head is getting quite loose. Yeah. So we need a new one, and this one looks awesome. It's not that light, but it needed the weight for a steady hold.
I thought it's quite light.
Okay. And
So
this head here is pretty awesome. We can mount a camera.
Even have a level.
Yeah, we can mount a small camera or our GoPro or to use it with the surf stick. And you see it has a metal ball, which is good. Yeah, open this thing. Yeah.
So we
open it
just
up.
pull it out and
Yep. And at the
your
side, the special thing here is at the side here we can mount a light like this. Open this thing. Slot it in. Yes. Right.
it's quite loose. It's quite loose.
No, you can.
I have to tighten the other way maybe. Oh yes.
Right. So you have your phone here, and you have the light for when you do a selfie, vlogging. Can you turn on the light?
Turn on the light. Is it just the touch?
No, that's a burst.
It's
That's on. Turn it on.
I think you have to turn it.
Oh yeah. See? Oh yes. It's pretty bright. Good.
Reduce.
Yeah. So our vlogging will be a lot more professional looking. Then most of the time we are like in a van and it'll be quite dark and blah blah. So we are a little more equipped this time around.
Just a little.
Just a little more.
Okay.
All right. So while waiting for our trip to start, we will have all these things to be familiarized with. And Susie has a new toy, and most of all, this thing, which she's very excited about.
This is something I will try.
Okay.
Ciao for now.
All right.
First one.